Whether you're a casual rider, a daily commuter, or a pro cyclist, having the right gear for the journey can make a huge difference. Designed to satisfy your every demand on the road, these innovative, design-savvy bike gadgets and accessories will make your ride as smooth as silk without sacrificing style for safety or the other way around. In today's video, we will be showing you some of the best bicycle gadgets. Without further ado, let's begin. Timbuk2's Parker Commuter Backpack. If you want a slick, functional pack for both travel and your everyday ride to work, look no further than Timbuk2's Parker Commuter Backpack. Constructed from 600D PVC, this modern roll top can withstand even the harshest weather conditions, keeping your belongings safe and dry. A variety of straps, along with an air mesh back panel, allow for versatile, comfortable carrying, while magnetic compression straps expand and contract its capacity easily and effectively. There's room for a laptop up to 15 inches, as well as multiple front pockets perfect for storing smaller, quick-access items. Other smart features include a reflective mesh panel on the bottom and a removable rain fly for extra protection against the elements. Smart Halo. Elevate your cycling experience to the next level with Smart Halo. Discreet, elegant, and packed with advanced features, this new bike gadget turns your two-wheeler into a smart bike. Once paired with its intuitive companion app, it guides you around, tracks your fitness goals, tells you where you've parked, and more. It also acts like an anti-theft alarm, automatic nightlight, and even personal assistant, notifying the rider about incoming calls and texts, or checking the weather. Stashable Bike Multitool. Equipped with 2 to 6 mm hex keys, a T25 Torx, and a flathead screwdriver, the granite-designed Stash Multitool makes for a reliable ride companion. Not only does it pack in an assortment of essentials for your roadside needs, but it's cleverly designed to stow away in your bike's steerer tube, carbon or alloy. For further trailside adjustments and tweaks, there's also a separate spoke key with a valve core remover that attaches magnetically to the side of the multi-tool. Whether it's easy-to-reach tools or super useful storage, products ensure you'll always have what you need right at your fingertips. Bike Balls Rear Light. Fun and safety combine in this naughty bicycle accessory aptly called Bike Balls. All jokes aside, this testicle-shaped rear bike light that you hang under your saddle is your best bet for maximum visibility. Made of high-grade silicone, the SAT glows red in the dark, withstands all sorts of weather conditions, and is extremely easy to mount. And did we mention attention grabbing? Of all the cool bike accessories on this list, this one has to be favorite. Although Bike Balls will get you noticed on your bicycle, this product may not meet the required minimum safety regulations in your local jurisdiction. Please check with your local bicycling and traffic law before using. Adaptable Cycling Jacket. Rides with changeable temperatures call for versatile cycling wear, and the Phantom Gore-Tex Infinium jacket delivers. Windproof, water-resistant, and extremely breathable, this garment is perfect for chilly days, but transforms into a jersey as the days warm up thanks to its removable sleeves. Gore's Active Fit offers an exceptional level of comfort and freedom of movement, while reflective details keep you visible on the road. The Gore-Tex Infinium construction gives you 100% windproof coverage, locking out biting cold winds. And it's water-resistant too, meaning you don't have to immediately reach for the hard-shell rain jacket when the rain threatens. And when the sun peeks out, simply zip up the sleeves, leaving your body protected but arms cool and free. Camelback Podium Big Chill Insulated Water Bottle. Water bottles should be at the top of your must-have bike accessories list, and this colorful, innovative product from Camelback doesn't disappoint. Thanks to its double-walled construction, the 25 fluid ounces Podium Big Chill keeps your water cold twice as long as regular sports bottles, while at the same time ensuring your water beverage remains so during cool weather rides. Its lightweight, ergonomic design with a patented self-sealing jet valve makes it easy to squeeze and drink on the go without worrying about splatters and spills. It also sports a wide mouth opening for easy filling and cleaning. TrolleyToad Folding Basket. Make grocery shopping a breeze with TrolleyToad, a folding rear bicycle basket complete with telescopic handle and wheels for easy use at the market. This smart and simple bike accessory is compatible with all Topeak MTX racks and can be flattened for storage thanks to its nifty collapsible design. The TrolleyToad is MTX Quick Track compatible for secure slide and click mounting and removal of all Topeak MTX racks. The TrolleyToad is MTX Quick Track compatible for secure slide and click mounting and removal of all Topex MTX racks. Respro City Anti-Pollution Mask. As concerns about air quality in big cities continue to grow, wearing an anti-pollution mask while on two wheels makes more sense than ever. Designed for urban bike commuters, the Respro City filters out a wide variety of pollutants commonly found in the atmosphere and comes with two techno-exhalation valves that sweep away unwanted heat, humidity, and carbon dioxide. Made from hypoallergenic neoprene, the mask features a contoured design, ensuring a snug fit to the face. Two valves release unwanted heat, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Made from hypoallergenic neoprene. Airbag for urban cyclists. Designed with urban cyclists in mind, Havding III looks like a collar that wraps around your neck as you cycle, but turns into the world's safest head protection in the event of an accident. The airbag inside the collar inflates in 0.1 seconds, providing up to 8 times better protection than a traditional cycle helmet. When paired with your smartphone via Bluetooth, the Havding app can tell battery status, give you information about personal and collective cycling data, and automatically notify select contacts if you have an accident. This unique safety bike gadget is charged with a USB cable, and one battery charge lasts up to 15 hours of cycling. Besides, it can be adjusted for a perfect fit and comes in a range of different covers to match any personal style and taste. Surfboard Bike Racks. Like to pedal to your favorite surf spot? Gear up your two-wheeler with these rear-mounted surfboard bike racks from Moved by Bikes. Designed to fit most bicycles on the market, they're stable, versatile, and easy to set up, allowing you to safely transport just about any surfboard, from short to long. Bicycle surfboard rack with push-button quick-release bars and steady frame mounting for long and short boards. Barrage Pannier waterproof carrier bag. When it comes to bike essentials for commuters, a carrier bag is a must. Crafted from waterproof abrasion-resistant 1050D nylon, the Barrage Pannier by Chrome Industries has you covered in any cycling situation, whether commuting to work or taking a biking tour throughout the country. Complete with a 3-point locking rack attachment system and an adjustable cargo net, this durable bike pack keeps your laptop safe and your helmet or extra gear in place, all while feeling equally at home off the bike thanks to its handle and shoulder strap. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.